Hello guys, today I will be showing you another one of my plugin that's called Doc. So Doc is a documentation plugin, and what inspired me to build this plugin? Well, let me first show you Doc. Okay. So I was working on a Go project the last couple of days, and I found myself continuously switching between Terminal and Google for looking at the documentation and then applying it in my files in my code. So I thought, well, isn't there a better way to look at the documentation from within my terminal? I searched for that on Google, and I didn't found any reliable answer. I also just happened to be looking at the help menu integration with Fuzzy Finder. So this is the new Vim help menu inside Fuzzy Finder, and I looked at it and said, well, that's fantastic. I want exactly this. If I could have a Fuzzy Finder for the documentation of any language, then it's bullseye. It's exactly what I wanted. So I created that. I created Doc. The plugin actually utilizes an open source API called cheat.sh that provides documentation that is maintained. First, this is the plugin file. This is the one that's being developed right now. So let me source this one, and now I could just type DL for local files. So if I type DLC, this is the local file. I could search for IO and see io.md. I could go on to this file, and this is a test. I could actually edit this file. This is an edit, and I could write this and exit this. I could open an documentation that's online. So this is the documentation provided by cheat.sh. So I could go Rust. I want to see. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. 7-zip. Oh, it didn't provided me anything. Well, that's the problem with this API. It's not complete right now, the cheat.sh thing. Okay, so basically this is the plugin that I'm building, and if you want to create a documentation, suppose you looked at some documentation on Google, and you actually went and actually searched for something like Rust REPL. Suppose this, I want to have a Rust REPL thing. Then I could actually, instead of switching between my terminal and this Google session or whatever it is, I could actually copy. Suppose I could copy any documentation. This is just for an example. I could create a documentation named Rust REPL, that's DC, leader DC. I could paste this, and I have the Rust documentation in the terminal. I could write this, I could exit this, and when I search for the local documentation, I have Rust REPL right here. If I didn't found any API, then I will be creating and hosting a server for this too. But as soon as I get the API side of the things done, this will be a really nice plugin. If you have idea, please do suggest me the ideas, and please like and subscribe. I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.